people. I believe you're doing great, and I welcome and appreciate your presence in Cuckoo's Study Lab.
Political order in modern societies is constantly under decay due in part to the rise of identity politics, competitive nature of polity, institutional politicization, practices of rewarding cronies and punishing rivals, and emergence of reactionary international. Resultantly, there is a rise in hybrid democratic governments across the globe. Such governments are more inclined to serve their interests instead of popular aspirations, and thereby they imperil their national integration and security. Against this backdrop, today's discussion hinges on political polarization in Pakistan, causes, consequences, and mayors to arrest a crisis situation germinated by the politics of personality or competitive nature of polity.
So this is all for today, people. If you got any confusion related to this topic, please let me know about your issues through your comments. I will address them in my next lecture. Thank you very much.